exploring marine life, work, and energy in the sea. Every organism in the ocean is a living example of the complex interaction between work and energy in its aquatic environment. In order to survive and flourish, marine life, from the tiniest plankton to the greatest whales, uses a variety of energy sources, exhibiting amazing ecological strategies and adaptations. This examines the various ways that marine life acquires, uses, and transfers energy while emphasizing the basic ideas of work and energy in relation to marine ecosystems. Most energy food webs are based on photosynthetic organisms like seaweed and phytoplankton. As the base of the energy pyramid, these use photosynthesis to transfer sunlight into chemical energy. As creatures eat one another, this energy is then passed up to the food chain. Larger creatures, such as zooplankton, eat phytoplankton, which is then eaten by little fish, which are subsequently eaten by larger predators. Every trophic level loses energy through heat, movement, and metabolic activities. Therefore, this energy transfer is not intuitively efficient. Chemical energy is another essential energy source. In cold seas and deep sea hydrothermal vents, chemosynthetic organisms use chemical energy from inorganic substances such as hydrogen sulfide to create organic matter. This mechanism demonstrates how remarkable adaptable life is to a variety of energy sources by supporting distinct ecosystems that are not dependent on sunlight. Tube worms and other specialized creatures that coexist symbiotically with chemosynthetic bacteria frequently dominate these chemosynthetic communities. In addition, the physical characteristics of water affect energy expenditure. Water's density and viscosity make it difficult for creatures to move. Thus, they must use more energy to get past drag. The temperature of the water has an impact on the dissolved oxygen content and metabolic rates, which in turn impacts the energy budgets of marine life. Comprehending the intricacy and adaptability of these essential ecosystems requires an understanding of the concept of work and energy in the marine environment. Further research into marine life's energy dynamics will provide light on the interesting adaptation and ecological strategies that power life at the sea.
And I you to make you what temperature they rise. If you leave me a good time, I swear